Go Minecraft as Gaeilge. Alright, sorry guys, in the last video, I was either speaking too loud or too close to the microphone. So we're going to try this out for size. I pushed the microphone back further a bit, and I was also hearing a sort of like white noise. 1, 2. I just counted in English. Really bad. Really, really bad. Hain, a do, a chi, a caher. I believe those should be 4-part, I think. Anyway, hain, a do, a chi, a caher, and a cúig. Hain, a do, a chi, a caher, and a cúig. A hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. A hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. A hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. I don't know if in Ireland you guys say a before the number when counting. Hain, do, chi, caher, cúig. So let's try it both ways. Hain, do, chi, caher, cúig. So I showed you guys the mob farm last time, and I don't take credit for this design. Do, chi, caher, cúig. But it's really cool. So I figured I'd work on this. It's something different, something we haven't done yet. It's been very hard to keep things fresh. I don't want to be overbuilding that town every time I talk with you guys. Every time I lowers to speak with you guys. Lowry to Gaeilge. Unlowry to Gaeilge means, do you speak Gaelic? Do you speak Irish? And then you answer, Larim Gaeilge. Yeah. See, we're full of Gaelic today. How about that? Hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. So this, it's going to be very boring watching me do this. A hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. See how much more confident I am even just by repeating that? Cool. Alright, and a hain, a do, a chi, a caher, a cúig. Wow, cool. That would not surprise me if I placed that block knowing that that was going to be in the proper spot. So, awesome. Great. Fantastic. That makes me happy. I hope you guys can hear this. The microphone's much further away. Cool, at least I stopped counting. I'm sure that was getting annoying. That goes back to one thing I said in another episode, is the more you hear something, the more you repeat it, obviously, the better you get at it. How about that? Practice makes perfect. Like I said, I was listening to Irish radio, and, you know, in between the shows, they do, they say, Tá sé vigéisteach le RTE Radio na Gaeltachta. So I've been able to, pick that up just by hearing it. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I knew the words, but you know, it's one thing to know the words and say them back. Cool. So I'm building this mob farm here, and it's pretty much the standard mob farm you see if you play Minecraft. If you don't play Minecraft, you have no idea what I'm talking about, and you could probably care less. Oh man. So I decided to build over here in the jungle, and look at how high we are. This is that torch is at world height. So that's the last block you can actually build on. So sorry, that sounds. I was thinking about what I wanted to do next. I don't know that I want to build this one up out here because I definitely had a plan. Because when you build these, you kind of want to build from the ground up, because otherwise then mobs will be dropping on your head. You have to wipe out all the torches. It's easier just to build them from the ground up, so I don't know why I'm up here. World height, yay! Cool. Maybe we'll get a nice view. I don't know what I was saying. More dead silence. Yeah, you know what? I got nothing for you guys. We can talk Game of Thrones, maybe? Part of me really wants to count these blocks to make sure I did this right, because if I screw it up, I won't be happy with myself. I really won't be. Maybe just as a check, we'll do, we'll sort of start to build a pattern. And then go from there. Haon, a do, a chi, a ceathair, a cúig, a haon, a do, a chi, a ceathair, cúig. Cool. So, anyway, actually, you know what I want to do? I don't even want to build on this level yet, because then I'm going to have to... Let me make some more torches, at least. Actually, maybe I will build on this level. I have a shovel. What am I doing? But I don't have I don't have inventory space. Yeah. This is the... I've been playing Minecraft for a long time. And there used to be... I don't know. I don't know how many blocks there used to be. There was only, you know, a handful or something, you know? And then they just kept adding more and more and more and more blocks, and then, but the inventory space never grew. So then you wind up with situations like this where you go, you try to make a YouTube video and you got several different projects going on. Oh my god, the sun is setting already? Alright, we'll just do a long episode because I don't really feel like stopping this episode here. Oh, where's the bed? There's a bed up here. Where is it? Whew. Yeah, you know what I should really do is think of something to say, something to talk about. I got nothing. Oh, I guess I can talk. So anyway, I didn't post videos for a long time. I moved. Not in Minecraft, but in real life, I moved. So that was a big... it was a big time waster. Well, not really, because I moved. So, I mean, it was successful. I'm still in, I might have said I was in Connecticut. But anyway, I'm in Connecticut. So I'm still in Connecticut. I don't like Connecticut. I'm here. Anyway. I grew up in Connecticut. Don't like Connecticut. We've got problems. Anyway. I'm rambling. So anyway, that took up a lot of my time as far as I was gonna say, do I have more fence posts? Anyway, yeah, that was it. And then well, that was. I'm sorry, that was a lot of dead silence. I'm not used to just talking to myself. It'd be easier even if the dog were in the room. My Madra, my dog, Molly. If she were in the room, I'd maybe feel better about talking to myself. But she is upstairs sleeping on my bed. I'm giving the microphone a dirty look. Yeah, no, it's a nice place I'm living. It's really cool. I'm loving it. So, that's really all I have to say about that. I got nothing. I'm really not sure what I want to do with this land over here. So I've got this land here. I want people to join my server. I want viewers. Anyway, I feel like, you know, even just like one more person would be great, you know? Would be great. Let's tackle this tree. I don't like this tree. You're probably wondering why this jungle looks so ugly. Well, I set fire to it. Tine or tinny fire. Probably. You know what? I don't remember. I don't know how to say that one. It's probably like just tine or tin. I love. This is why I would love some viewers. Maybe somebody can correct me. That'd be fantastic. Wow, sorry for the dead silence, guys. I'm so used to playing Minecraft like by myself, so I don't talk. I don't know. Hopefully I get viewers. Maybe somebody is actually watching this video. I know I got a comment on my last video, and I kind of read it really quick, but I read the notification email. I didn't actually go read the comment. Somebody had said, "Hey, you know, nice job on your videos." And then they said, "I want to start up my own video soon. Please donate." So I don't know. It's probably some robo, like robo poster. So I chose to kind of ignore the notification email, and I haven't gone to check out that comment. So I mean, if you're the poster of that and you're a real person, thank you, and I'm sorry. I'm not going to donate though, but thank you for the encouragement. But if you are not a person and you are some robo poster trying to scam people out of money, then A, shame on you, and B, Pogue Mahone. Huh? How about that for some Gaelic? Sorry guys, I know when I do this, I know it's super annoying, so I'm gonna try and stop doing that. Also, I'm sorry if my mouse movements are quick. Oops, I don't want to do that just yet. I want to do this. So, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry for the dead silence. I really am. You know what I should look up how to say is, I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Ah! That was a fail. Oh, that was a fail. That's a good thing I did that. Look at all the stuff I dropped. Also, I hope you don't hear my keyboard. I actually have it on my lap right now instead of on the desk. Oh, I know the word for it. I said keyboard, right? Not laptop. Anyway, that's another thing about moving. Currently, I am working on one screen. So... Oh, that was brutal. Okay, I can't... Where did all these come from? Didn't I just pick these up? Sorry. Fast movements. I'm sorry. Yeah, so... Oh, man. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead... Oh. Oh. Nothing. 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 Never mind. Never mind. I can't say what I was going to say and then post the video because then... Ha ha ha. Ah. Alright, cool. Now I've eaten and I will regain hearts and everything will be fantastic. So, this is the problem with burning down the jungle. Is it doesn't really get everything. And then you get awkward trees like this. Oh, and my items are full again. Oops. Whoops. I'm down to 1 heart. Whoopsies. I'm really embarrassed by that. Somebody who is playing Minecraft for that long shouldn't do that. Anyway, what's new with you guys? You know what? I'm knocking Qatar Shulagat, which I believe is what are you doing? Or maybe not you. What is Qatar? Or, I don't. You know what? I take that back. Ignore what I just said. I have no idea what it means. I thought it means. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it means. I think it means what are you doing? What are they doing? I'm gonna have to learn some more Gaelic before I do another video. I really am. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I moved. I'm working. I actually don't even have a desk. I have a folding table right now. And I know the word for table. I should look that up. That's another thing about like kind of doing these videos and talking is that I'm like, yeah, I know that word, but I don't. So it's a good way to kind of keep your vocabulary intact, I think, you know? I encourage you if you are magically some person who is actually watching this garbage, that you try it yourself. And hey, join the server, man. Come on. You know, just even if you don't post the videos, just do them. Just kind of talk to yourself. You know what. Sort of make that conscious effort of what words do I know? What words don't I know? What words did I learn and forgot? So I'm gonna end the video here, I think, because this has been boring and uninformative and unhelpful and confusing. Did we learn a word? Did we learn a word? I feel like we did. I will give this video a title when I figure out what word it was we learned. The word of the day. Okay, guys, I'm going to put some more of this stuff in the chest here, and I'm going to end this video, and I am not going to make any more videos today, or tonight. And in Minecraft, I am going to go to bed. So, ihewa, slán.